Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating realm of Honda motorcycles 2024. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures in the world of Honda motorcycles. Honda CB500 Hornet. The 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet ditches its Neop Sports Cafe look for a sharper, more aggressive street fighter stance hinting at the buzz it wants to generate. Underneath the sleek redesigned bodywork lies a familiar 471cc parallel twin engine pumping out a respectable 47 horsepower. While it might not break any land speed records, it delivers a smooth, predictable ride that's perfect for navigating city streets or carving through twisty back roads. Honda has also equipped the Hornet with some modern tech, including a snazzy 5-inch TFT display and smartphone connectivity for navigation safety. Hasn't been forgotten either, with standard dabs and an optional quick shifter available. As for the price tag, Honda is keeping it mum for now, but expected to land somewhere in the ballpark of its predecessor, which started around $6,500. So if you're looking for a fun, versatile, and affordable motorcycle that won't leave you feeling overwhelmed, the 2024 Honda CB500 Hornet might just sting you in the right way. Honda Shadow Phantom. The 2024 Honda Shadow Phantom isn't your grandpa's cruiser, sure. It maintains classic bobber styling with a low seat height and a muscular V-twin engine, but this bike packs a modern punch this year. It boasts a sleek new headlight cover, sharper graphics, and a powerful rear disc brake, making stopping a breeze underneath the chrome. You'll find a fuel-injected 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that packs a punch. It won't win any drag races, but it delivers smooth, comfortable power that's perfect for cruising around town or exploring scenic background roads. While the exact horsepower figure isn't disclosed, think of it this way: it's got enough oomph to get you where you need to go, with a satisfying rumble that adds to the riding experience. The best part, the 2024 Shadow Phantom won't break the bank with a starting price tag of $8,390. It's an attractive option for new riders or those seeking an affordable, stylish cruiser, so ditch the four wheels feel, the wind in your hair, and experience the thrill of the open road on the Honda Shadow Phantom. Honda Africa Twin. The 2024 Honda Africa Twin is back and ready to devour any terrain you throw its way. This motorcycle isn't your grandpa's cruiser. It's a modern marvel built to conquer both the asphalt jungle and the untamed wilderness with equal aplomb. Sporting a rugged, yet refined design, the Africa Twin is both head-turner and workhorse. Its 1084cc engine thrums with 101 horsepower, ready to propel you forward with exhilarating force. But the Africa Twin isn't just about brute power. It boasts a comfortable riding position and advanced technology like a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that helps ensure a smooth and confident ride. And let's not forget the tubless wheels, a welcome addition for any rider who values convenience and efficiency, especially on those remote adventures. Ready to explore the world on two wheels, the 2024 Honda Africa Twin sets the bar high for adventure motorcycles, and with a starting price of around $114,000, it offers excellent value for the thrill-seeking rider. Honda NX500. The 2024 Honda NX500 is the new X-over for the modern rider who craves both on-road comfort and off-road capability. This middleweight adventure bike boasts a new sharp design inspired by its legendary NX650 Dominator ancestor. Think sharp angles, a slimmer seat, and a more aggressive stance, all wrapped in your choice of three bold colors: Grand Prix X Red, Matte Gunpowder Black, Metallic, or Pearl Horizon White. Underneath the stylish exterior lies a familiar heart, the tried-and-true 471cc parallel twin engine from its predecessor, the CB500. While the horsepower remains at a steady 47, weak fuel injection promises smoother power delivery, especially at lower RPMs. And for those unexpected adventures, a switchable traction control system keeps things under control. While the price tag hasn't been officially announced in the US yet, the UK price tag sits at €6,799, which is roughly $8,200. So, if you're looking for a versatile and exciting machine to explore the world on, the 2024 Honda NX500 might just be your perfect new X-over companion. Honda Fireblade. The 2024 Honda Fireblade, or CBR 1000RR, as it's known to its fans, is back with some tweaks to keep it sharp on the racetrack. This powerful machine isn't for cruising the boulevard it craves. The thrill of the open track. Underneath the aerodynamic fairing lies a 1000C inline-4 engine that's been massaged to deliver more punch in the mid-range, while still offering that exhilarating high-end power. While the peak horsepower remains at a claimed 215, it arrives slightly lower in the rev range, making it easier to access and control. The 2024 Fireblade isn't for the faint of wallet either, with a starting price tag exceeding $28,000. It's a serious investment for riders who crave top-of-the-line performance and a thrilling track experience. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that will set your people's racing and carve up the corners like a lacer, the Fireblade might just be your perfect match. Honda XL 750 Transal, calling all explorers not conquerors. The 2024 Honda XL 750 Transal is back, and it's ready to tackle your next adventure, big or small. This middleweight adventure bike is built for versatility, taking you from smooth pavement to gravel roads with ease. The Transal's design is rugged, yet find its 21 in front wheel and 18 in rear wheel provide ample ground clearance for off-road excursions, while the comfortable upright riding position keeps you in control on any terrain. At its heart lies a 755C parallel twin engine derived from Honda's street-focused Hornet. Don't let the 83 horsepower fool you. This engine is all about usable power, perfect for navigating tight corners or cruising down the highway. Technology is present, but not overwhelming. The Transal boasts 5 riding modes, including gravel, rain, and sport, allowing you to tailor the bike's performance to the conditions. And for those who crave a seamless ride, a quick shifter comes standard with a starting price of $9,999. It's an accessible option for new and seasoned adventurers alike, so pack your bags, grab your helmet, and get ready to explore. The Transal is waiting to be your trusty companion. Honda Goldwing. The 2024 Honda Goldwing doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, but it refines the experience for long-distance riders who crave comfort and power. This iconic touring motorcycle isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about savoring the journey. The Goldwing's design is a masterful blend of style and function. The aerodynamic fairing cuts through the wind, while the spacious seating ensures both rider and passenger arrive relaxed even after hours on the road. Underneath the sleek design lies a powerful 1833cc engine that produces ample thrust for highway cruising and effortless overtaking. With 111 horsepower on tap, this motorcycle is no slouch, and it delivers that power smoothly and predictably. Its combination of comfort, performance, and luxurious amenities comes at a price, though. The base model starts at $228,700, and the top-of-the-line model with the automatic DCT transmission will set you back $33,000. But hey, for a motorcycle that promises to redefine your touring experience, it might just be worth the investment. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it informative, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.